Hello everyone, in this video, we will talk about Citroen's 2026 updated EC3 XEV which starts at a base price of 6,89,000 rupees along with battery as a service cost of 2.26 rupees per kilometer. Let us discuss the basics first including range, battery, charging, and real-world convenience. We'll break down specifications and what you get across variants. The EC3X is Citroen's electric city SUV approach, made for daily commutes, quick errands, and easy ownership. And since it's electric, the key story is how fast you can charge and how reliably it fits your drives. Let's start with performance. Citroën lists the motor output at 57 PS and 143 Nm torque, paired with a single-speed automatic transmission. That's why the drive feels smooth and effortless in stop-and-go traffic, no gear hunting, just steady pull taking 6.8 seconds for 0 to 60 km per hour. Now, battery capacity and official range are critical, especially for EV buying decisions. Citroën EC3X comes with 29.2 kWh battery pack with a claimed range of 325 km. The EC3X supports DC fast charging, and Citroën states that charging from 10% to 80% takes about 57 minutes, so if your day needs a quick turnaround, it's designed for that. AC charging takes about 11 hours to full go from 0% to 100%. And it's not just fast charging, there's also everyday usability. The cabin experience includes wireless charging, so your daily tech routine stays clean and practical. Inside, the EC3X focuses on comfort and a lounge-like feel. You get premium leatherette upholstery and a modern, refined dashboard theme so the car feels more premium than what most first-time EV buyers expect. For tech, there's a 10.25-inch infotainment system along with premium JBL audio support. That combination matters because in an EV, you spend a lot of time in the cabin, and music plus clear infotainment make the experience better. Now, safety and confidence. The base safety setup includes front driver and passenger airbags, ABS with EBD, and reverse parking sensors. That's the kind of everyday protection you want from the start. Higher variants add extra confidence features like high-speed alert and speed-sensitive auto door lock. It's a small thing, but it can reduce stress on highways and faster commutes. Citroën is also offering BaaS financing as a key offering to reduce the upfront burden of battery and lower the price by about 5 lakh rupees. There is a minimum charge of 2,000 km per month for BaaS. Let us talk about the variants now. There are 3 variants on offer. Starting with Variant Live, which is the base variant that still gives you the core EC3X experience. On the exterior, you get the matte front grille, but you miss out on body-colored door handles and signature LED DRLs. Inside, the cabin keeps it simple. You get integrated front and rear headrests, and the interior panel deco in electric blue. For technology, Live comes with a 26 cm touchscreen infotainment system, along with Citroën Connect and the Seabody Personal Assistant app. In comfort, you get the essentials only, manual AC with heater, and manually adjustable outside rearview mirrors. And for safety, it includes 2 front airbags, ABS with EBD, and reverse parking sensors. Now, moving to Live O. On the exterior, Live O adds convenience features, body-colored door handles and DRLs. Inside, you get a more premium look with sateen chrome details on the interior door handles, plus matching accents on the AC vents and the steering wheel. In technology, Live O additionally gets wireless phone connectivity on top of the base variant. For comfort, it adds remote keyless entry and tilt steering. And on safety convenience, it brings the high-speed alert system and speed-sensitive auto door lock. Finally, The top variant Shine. On the exterior, Shine adds glossy black roof rails and alloy wheels for a more upmarket presence. Inside, you get a leather steering wheel and leatherette seat upholstery. In technology, Shine adds steering wheel audio controls so you can manage music and calls without taking your hands off the wheel. For comfort, it also adds must-have rear visibility features, rear view camera, rear wiper, and rear defroster. And on safety, Shine adds child lock functionality for the rear doors, ideal for families. Our pick would be Shine Edition if you have the budget, or Live O variant. You should skip the base variant. Final word, the EC3 XS strengths are smooth EV drive with 57 PS and 143 Nm, practical DC fast charging around 57 minutes to reach 80%, and a cabin that feels premium with JBL and wireless charging. Battery as a service is also positioned to make EV ownership more manageable. If you want, comment your expected daily kilometers, then we'll help you shortlist the right variant. If this video helped you, please do leave a like and subscribe to our channel.